How to use templates in Reelshot. Reelshot templates are a fantastic way to quickly create stylish videos without starting from scratch. They provide pre-designed structures, effects and music, making professional-looking videos easy. This guide shows you how to use them. From the Reelshot home screen, look for dedicated templates, quick create or themes section. This is where you'll find a library of pre-designed video structures. Just right here. Tap on it to browse. Browse through the different categories and styles of templates available. You'll see options for various purposes, like vlogs, social media posts, a day in life, or intros. Tap on a template to get a preview of its layout. Music and effects. Once you've found a template that you like, tap on Use Template or a plus button. Reelshot will then guide you to fill in the placeholders with your own video clips and photos from the camera roll. Select your media for each section. Once all the placeholders are filled, Reelshot automatically applies the template effects, transitions and music to your content. It's that easy to create stunning videos. You've successfully learned how to use templates in Reelshot. Create beautiful videos quickly. Like and subscribe for more Reelshot efficiency tips.